One thing I forgot to tell you is the attribute of pattern. Now what pattern does is that it specifies the specific format in which your data must be entered. Now this uses this, whatever this I put inside of here, this is called regex or regular expression. Okay, this means something. This shows you that whenever you enter some text, then it should follow the format of this. So if I hit refresh here and I submit, it's asking me to please fill out this field. Now what regex does over here is for the username specifically, is going to allow you to enter a text that is in capital from A to Z, small caps from A to Z, and from any other number from 0 to 9 digit, any 9 number like that. And then what this does over here is it specifies the what it does is that it specifies the minimum and the maximum length. So minimum would be 5, maximum would be 15. So look, if I put in here Y and I submit, please match the requested format, and that's 5. So if I put here 1 2 3 4 5, now you can see I submit it, it gives me a submission. You see, it doesn't give me an error. So that's just something that kind of like pattern does. It allows you to force the user to enter information or data in a specific format. And you can have a look at other regex as well. Like I could have changed this. I can delete this one and I can put this into 0 to 9, meaning I can only enter numbers inside of it. So if I put this inside of there, it's not going to give me an error. However, if I put in some text, it's going to ask me like please match the requested format. So that's what regex does, the pattern attribute. You can use this with passwords. You can use this with emails to see the @ symbol as well. So that's what we're going to have a look at.